Hello, this is a practice quiz about percentages, but the purpose of doing it in this format on Edpuzzle is to get you ready for Task 2, the upcoming graded quiz in math. The rules for this quiz are the same as will be for the test. You may use outside resources and you may use calculators, but you only have a specific amount of time. This quiz, you will have 35 minutes, but for the test, you will have longer. You must use Edpuzzle, and you must record your answers orally and also in the text bubble, but you will be graded on your oral responses. These are 5 tips on how to do your best in this format and with this quiz. First, use your notebook or scratch paper. Second, work out the problems by hand. You visualize it, even if you use a calculator, work it out because you're going to have to explain it. 3, think about what you want to say. 4, put some key points down on your notebook so you see the process and the key points that you want to cover. And lastly, practice. You can re-record it, but practice what you want to say. I believe that these time limits are more than enough. We are going to start with question 1. I will give 30 seconds between each question, but you can take as long as you need. Let's begin. I will now give you 10 seconds. Question 2. Question 3, 10 seconds. Ten seconds. Question 4. Question 5. the last and final question, question 6. The end. I will return and correct your quiz via this link. It will be on Google Classroom.